Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAFRENA binti ALIAS. My meeting number is 1003. So I made the Pergola modern for the roof, and here is the tutorial. So first of all, you need to go to component and model in place and choose the geometric material geometric models, and click OK and OK once again. And after that, you need to go to sweep and take the rectangle line and choose it where do you want to put it. And after that, go to the material and name it and click OK after you done, and go to 3D and you see that there's a grid light plus light there, right there. And then you click once again and sketch path, and then you go to the left view to see the correctly view. And after that, take the line and make it the size of it. After that, you move it and go right there and click once again and click once again and again, and then you can see there's it. And after that, you need to go to the up there, the highest one at the roof, and you can see the progress and click finish model. After you finish the model, you need go to the roof, and here you go to architecture and pick the roof slope and choose the line rectangle and pick where you want to go, and then you take the line and pick where how much do you want. And after that, use the dimension and make it the same size and do the same thing as these two. And after that, you need to move it to make it follow the line, and you need to trim the line to make it like that. And then the others you need to delete and go off the definite slope. And next, you need to go to the 3D, and you can see there's the glass there and click to see. After that, you need to go to the properties, base offset, you need to do 200. Once you done that, you need to go to the edit type and change the name of with duplicate. And then the grid 2, you need to change the fits distance and make it 100. And the grid 2 million, you need to go to the rectangular million. And after that, you can see the result there, and then you can change the shape to turn the 45-degree, and it's become like that. After that, you can go to the architecture million and grid line. So when you done with that, you go to the roof. So you select and copy with it and paste all the things, and you can see. After that, you need to click select all of that and change to the 0, and it's become like that. And do the same thing to others too. And now you can see I'm done with it, and then you select all of that, and you need to go to the filter and check none and choose the roof and OK. and copy, and you got the same one. And after that you need to just change the place, and it's become like that. Once again you need to select and go to the filter, check none, roof, and copy, and there, you done with it. So here is pergola modern for the roof. So as you can see, I'm doing the railing to close the gap between the beam to the other beams. So that's the result of my pergola modern. Thank you.